Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up monetization eligibility checks in YouTube Studio, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open YouTube Studio by going to studio.youtube.com. Sign in with your Google account if prompted. Once you're in the YouTube Studio dashboard, look for the left sidebar. Locate and click on the Monetization tab. If you don't see the Monetization tab, make sure your account is in good standing. On the monetization page, you can see your eligibility status. Check if your channel meets the requirements for monetization. If you haven't met these thresholds, focus on producing engaging content. Once eligible, click on the Start button to begin the monetization process. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your monetization preferences. Review the terms and agreements carefully before accepting. If you agree, click on the Acceptance button to proceed. Next, link your AdSense account or create a new one if needed. Ensure all your information is accurate to avoid issues with payments. After linking your AdSense account, return to the monetization page. Now you can enable monetization for your videos. Select the videos you want to monetize and click on the Monetize option. Choose the ad formats you want to enable for each video. Make sure to save your changes after selecting your ad preferences. You may also want to enable monetization on future uploads by adjusting your default settings. Keep track of your analytics to see how your monetization performs. Remember to follow YouTube's policies to maintain your monetization status. Stay updated with any changes to the monetization policies by checking YouTube's official resources. With everything set up, you're now ready to start earning revenue on your content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.